This following proverb, I would like to recognise Māori leadership, in particular the late Suapira Langata. He was an inspiration for all of Māoridom. He made huge sacrifices for us in the decisions that he made as a minister and as a traditional Māori leader. This Whakatāuki, this proverbial saying, talks about the generations of our time growing up, being nurtured well. He also says that no matter what we do in life, let our hearts always be to our tribal, spiritual and cultural identity as a plumage for our head. So it doesn't matter what you become or what you do in life. Don't forget who you are. Don't forget the reason why you're here. And then the last part in Māori, he talks about though in everything that we do, let it be done in memory of our ancestors and also to recognise and to honour the power of God, the creator of all things. And it goes like this. E tipu e rea, grow up o tender shoot. I ngā rā o tō ao, in the days of your generation. Ko tō ringa ki ngā rākau a te Pākehā, so that your hand is stretched forth to all the things in the world around you. Ko tō ngākau ki ngā taonga a o tipuna, hei tiki tiki mō tō mahunga. And your cultural, spiritual and tribal identity be a plumage for your head. Ko tō wairua ki te atua, although let your spirit always recognise the creator of all things. E tipu e rea i ngā rā o tō ao, grow up, O tender seed, the generation of your time. Ko tō ringa ki ngā rākau a te Pākehā, stretch forth your hand to all the things around you in the world. Ko tō ngākau ki ngā taonga o tipuna, but let your heart always be tied firmly to your cultural and spiritual identity. Ko tō wairua ki te atua, nāna nei ngā mea katoa. But always acknowledge in everything that we do the spiritual dimension, our creator of all things.